Morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning to you as well. We're into the weekend and a bit of a contrast setting up this weekend across the country, certainly in evidence today. If you're in England, Wales, going to be another cold, frosty start, plenty of sunshine around once any fog is cleared. Scotland, Northern Ireland, different story, a lot more cloud pushing in and temperatures here will be on the rise.
We can bring you some incredible images. Take a look at this. It was taken by residents in Turkey. That is a cloud. And it's been causing quite a storm on social media. What is it? So it's a rare circular cloud formation. It's known as a lenticular cloud, covered the early morning sky above the city of Bursa.
It looks like a UFO, doesn't it?
It does.
Unbelievable. The unusual sight has gone viral, as Naga said. It remained intact for a whole hour before it disappeared. We don't get clouds like that around where we live.
No, well, we can show you what's going on where we are at the moment. That's Salford. Pretty, yeah, it's a lovely sky, but then lenticular clouds there. But it's a beautiful sunrise this morning. Cold, chilly, but beautiful, I think.
I think Matt's
and a few rowers enjoying the water as well.
Matt's got a volcano cloud behind him. What's that?
Morning.
Good morning, that's the lenticular cloud. It's the same one, just a still image of it. I thought I'd just explain, they are actually very, very common and they can last for hours on end, and we do get them here in the UK. Just to give them their correct name, they're called Alticumulus lenticularis. There's a bit of a mouthful for you on a Saturday morning, but just to show you how they do form, it's where you get air flowing along a fairly stable atmosphere. It rises up over the mountain, and as it rises up, it cools and the clouds start to form into those sort of like pancake shape. This is how you see it from a distance, and they can stack up. There can be many on top of one each other. This is a spectacular one caught in Spain, in the Sierra Nevada in southern Spain. And the reason why they looked so weird in Turkey is because it was viewed from underneath. They were right underneath that cloud rather than looking at it from the side. And of course, the sun setting gave it that amazing glow that it had. And as I said, we do get them here in the UK, initially across parts of Scotland. You can see how the cloud has been spilling in through the night, in across from the Atlantic. It's dragging up the air from the mid-Atlantic, so temperatures continuing to rise, 6-7 degrees here at the moment, compared to southwards and eastwards, where temperatures are still around -6 or -7. Here's some of your coldest spots at the moment. Thirsk in North Yorkshire, coldest of all, around -7 degrees, compared to Stornoway in the west of Scotland, which is +7. So there are some big temperature contrasts out there.
It's cold in a lot of places. 4 o'clock this morning, I was scraping the ice off the windscreen, Matt, and someone else was up early by the looks of it.
I think there'll be a fair few doing exactly the same this morning, Roger, particularly across England and Wales. That's where it's coldest at the moment. -6, -7 for 1 or 2. It's much milder, though. Western Scotland, Northern Ireland got temperatures at +6 and 7 at the moment, as I'll show you. But so for the next few days, that milder air is slowly going to push to a few more parts. Let me just show you 2 areas of the UK, North East Scotland and South East England. Fairly similar temperatures in these areas through today, but by Tuesday, milder air fully in place across the North East of Scotland, 1 or 2 spots up to around 14. It's going to be a struggle to really get the milder air into the South East throughout, so it's going to stay with temperatures at or below average right through this coming week.
You've had some amazing pictures, and we've had lessons from you today. I did try to remember the name of the cloud. Remember that wonderful cloud? Something
Alticumulus lenticularis.
There you go. There you go. You can watch back on that because it was a really good lesson. But what do we need to know about the coming days?
Well, certainly getting milder across the north and the west, cold still to the south and east. That's the rough theme, in fact, right the way into the start of next week. Good morning to you all, and that's the story today. England, Wales having the sunniest conditions, although some fog will linger. Scotland, Northern Ireland, a lot more cloud, and for 1 or 2, that rain spilling in with the milder weather.